Hello friends, I am Bhujbal Pratiksha. So today I am going to talk about James Lind's experiment and Nebuchadnezzar experiment. So first one is the James Lind experiment. So which is on the scurvy, which is a landmark event in the history of medicine and nutrition. So now talking about the experiment. So during the 18th century, scurvy was a common deadly disease among the sailors, but its cause was not well understood. So many of believed that the scurvy was linked to the general bad air on ships or other factors. Then Lind set out to investigate that potential treatments of scurvy. Then he selected 12 sailors who were suffering from the scurvy and divided them into 6 pairs. Then each pair of sailor received a different dietary supplements as a treatment, and this treatment conducted as follows. That is, the first group received a quarter of cider daily. Then second group received 25 drops of elixir or vitriol sulfuric acid daily. Then third group received 6 spoonfuls of vinegar daily. Then fourth group received a half pint of seawater daily. Then fifth group received a mixture of garlic, mustard seed, and horseradish. Then a group of 6 receive 2 oranges and 1 lemon daily. Then as a result, Lind's experiment were clear. The group of sailors who received the oranges and lemon, that is group 6, showed a remarkable improvement in their scurvy symptoms within a few days, and this group regained their strength and energy while the other did not show a substantial improvement. And the conclusion of this experiment, that James Lind concluded that the citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons were highly effective in preventing and treating the scurvy. And he published findings in 1757 in book titled as a treatise on the scurvies. And this work is considered one of the earliest example of controlled clinical trials and significant milestone in the history of medicine and nutrition. Then second one is the Nebuchadnezzar experiment. This is the world's first clinical trials is recorded in the book of Daniel in the Bible. This experiment resembles a clinical trial was not conducted by a medical but by King Nebuchadnezzar, a resourceful military leader. Then during his rule, in Babylon, Nebuchadnezzar ordered his people to eat only meat and drink only wine. A diet he believed his people to eat only meat or and drink only wine. A diet he believed would keep them in a sound physical condition. Then, but several young men of royal blood who preferred to eat a vegetable objected, and the king allowed these rebels to follow a diet of legumes and water. Then, but only for 10 days. When the Nebuchadnezzar experiment ended, the vegetarians appeared better nourished than the meat eaters. So the king permitted the lovers to continue their diet. Then this probably was the one of the first times in the evolution of human species that an open uncontrolled human experiment guided a decision about the public health. Thank you.